Hi and welcome back to today's More Report on Tuesday 28th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets, looking at sterling dollar now. And, well, this is obviously the big volatility play at the moment still. And we've had a 100-tick rally on sterling today, and look at the look at the impact it's had on the chart. Basically, nothing really, is it? The relative move in the context of the huge sell-off that we've seen in the last 2 days. 11% sell-off we've seen in 2 days. So rebounding that, just unwinding slightly. But you'd say that momentum is deeply negative, isn't it? Stochastics, MACD lines falling. RSI sort of around 30. The sell-off in January got to 15. So, I mean, in the context of what we have seen, there is still further downside potential. And you'd say, I mean, the argument being, do you see that 30 being oversold on the RSI? Well, in a ranging scenario, 30 can be considered to be oversold, and then you play the range and see the unwinding move. But in a trending scenario, which this is clearly a trending scenario, RSI can go deeply oversold. So it would be sort of prudent to say that there is further downside potential, I think, in cable. So this is just a volatility play, just a rebound move. I don't really see it as anything really other than that at the moment. I mean, even in the context of this hourly chart, those huge volatility candles, and I mean, just mildly rebounding. And I mean, you get that crosshair on 31.18, which is the low. You've unwound sort of over 200 ticks from that. And look at what you've actually done on the chart, virtually nothing. So the resistance 34.73, which is this rebound high that we saw from yesterday, 34.73. Beyond that, I mean, there's resistance 35.50 area from these lows, but again, this is all just really rather sort of tenuous. I wouldn't say that's resistance that you'd sort of be putting key levels on. It's because of the volatility, really. Sterling just is not really playing with the technicals at the moment. Yes, it's unwinding the oversold momentum, but ultimately I think it will be sold into. Exactly where that next selling point comes in is very difficult to say, obviously, because the volatility continues today. Although it's just sort of drifting off again in the last few minutes. But it'd be very interesting to see whether cable can sustain a rally, because I don't necessarily think it will. I think this move will be sold into as the sort of oversold momentum unwinds, and that hourly MACD lines, for example, RSI back towards 50 area. So you'd say, well, the chances are the selling pressure is likely to resume at some stage today, if not very soon. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I think that we will get a retest of the lows, and I think there's going to be further weakness in cable in due course. So I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.